Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a little bit different. Obviously I'm mixing it up a little bit on my channel at the moment. So if there's a video that you want to see, please leave it in the comment section below and I will do my best to film it. So anyway, today's video is basically I need to get more organised in the kitchen, and I've been watching this brilliant lady on YouTube called The Budget Mum, and I'll put her name on the screen here. I'll leave all their info in the description, and she does quite a lengthy sort of food inventory, and I find that weekly I am not very organised when it comes to meals for me and Sam. So what I need to do today is go through all my cupboards, my freezer, and make an inventory of everything that I've got, because I feel like every time I go to the supermarket, I usually order it online, but I end up buying more of the same stuff and I didn't realise that I had it in the first place. So today's video is going to be making an inventory that I've already got, so I know exactly what I need to use up. And this lady, The Budget Mum, does it really, really well. She does it a little bit more to a bigger extent than what I'm going to do today. I'm going to just use the inventory sheets, and then obviously I've got a shopping list, and I'm going to get myself off to Aldi. So I'm going to try and shop at Aldi from now on, because I know it's going to save us money in the long run. And the whole point of 2019 is that we've got a few little bits of credit cards to pay off. We want to save some money, and yeah, and it'll stop any of that food wastage that we're having at the moment. So let me show you the printables that I got online. These are from a lady called Simply Stacey. She's based in America. These are completely free, and she does complete meal plans and everything. But again, I'm just using the shopping lists and the inventory sheet. So check these out. So these are the two sheets. So here we've got a grocery inventory. Obviously we've got pantry, fridge and freezer, and need to buy with some little check boxes. And then here we've got a shopping list. Now this is divided up into fruits and veggies, meat and seafood, drinks and pantry, canned and frozen, dairy and deli, snacks and treats, personal goods and miscellaneous. So I've got a few sheets of each, and I'm going to keep them in a ring bind just to be completely organised. And I think you need to sort of do the inventory kind of weekly, I think. Better to check Budget Mum. She knows what she's doing. Yeah, so do an inventory, because obviously as soon as you use something up, you need to change your inventory. Probably need to do that kind of weekly, I would think. So let's get into making this inventory. So we're going to start off with the fridge. Kind of looks full, but we haven't got that much in, to be honest, and I do need to check the dates on some things. I know I need to make a note as well. We need to order some more Brita cartridges. I generally get mine from Amazon. I find that they're the cheapest. It's generally not the Brita kind, but they're generally like a universal thing, and they're way, way cheaper. I can leave a link in the description if you're interested in those, but you get like a box of, I think it's 6 when you, and I think it's £12 for 6. Now if you think about Brita, they're generally about £5 each. So this box of universal ones do brilliantly, and they last us quite a while actually, 6 months I think. So moving on to what we've got in here. Right, so I know we've got some eggs. I know we only got these last week, so we're okay for eggs. So I'm going to write that down. I think I started to make a list already. This is everything that we've got, so I'm going to just tick that. We've got eggs. We've got a tube of tomato puree. It's not been opened, so I'm going to write that down because I don't have that on there. I've got some old butter that I could probably chuck. What have we got here? I know this easy garlic's been in here quite a while, so I think that needs to be binned. So get rid. I've had this a little while as well. I'm not sure how long this lasts. Oh, it says, excuse the beeping fridge as well. It says December 2019, but how long does it have to be open for? Consumers in 3 months. I think that's older than that, so that needs to be chucked. Again, oh, these have been in here a while. longer than 4 weeks, so again need to be binned. This is supposed to be an inventory. That can go. That looks manky. That can go as well. Yep, that's been open for a while. Lemon juice, that's okay. That's okay, it's balsamic. And I'm going to get rid of the cabbage. That's 2018 as well. Shh. So all we've got in the bottom here is a bit of orange. I'm going to put that other one there as well, which is new. We only got that this week. And some milk. And then obviously I use cocoa, so I'm going to put mine in there too. And I keep a couple of spares here. And I keep a couple of spares there. So that we're fine for cocoa. We have got wine and stuff which we don't generally drink, and it ends up sitting here. So I think these are quite old. Yeah, well actually they last ages, these Alpro ones. So these are June 2019. Geez, what's in them that they last that long? 2 litre bottle of milk. Let's come back. We've got the carrot battens, 3 chicken breasts, the 4 cocoa, which is in the fridge, because this is fridge. And then, what else have we got? Yeah, we've got the Lure pack. Oh, we've got 3 Lure packs. There we go. Let's move them over. We've got a yogurt that needs eating. And we've got some sausages that we just got this week. So, let's write down. Sausages. 12 pack. We'll use them for breakfast tomorrow, but what we don't eat will freeze. And we've got the ketchup. And 2 bags of grated cheese. 2 bags of grated cheese. Got nothing in here. And in here we've got a tiny little bit of cucumber, 2 bits of broccoli and an onion. So broccoli times 2, we'll say 1.5. And 1 onion. That's it for the fridge. I do need to just put on those 2 Alpro yogurt. Right, so let's crack on. I started to make a list already of what I've got in the pantry. We've got to tackle the cupboard. I do try to be organised in terms of dry goods. These are like chalkboards, but that one's kind of rubbed off. So in the cupboard we have 2 cartons of cocoa. Then we've got some quinoa, red lentils, green lentils, rice and pasta. Right, cupboard wise we kind of need to dig this out, to be fair, because it's so unorganised. So I'm going to pull it all out on the counter and then we'll come back in a sec. Yeah, 6 chopped tomatoes, a tin of green lentils, some peanut butter, 1 tin of red kidney beans, 3 Heinz beans, the no added sugar ones, just put that there, a table salt, which again I think I just use for cooking because generally we have the ones on the side there which are the grinder ones. I've got a tub of like tahini, some mixed bean salad and some mixed beans which I use in just general cooking. I've mentioned the kidney beans. This again was in a hamper and it's now out of date, so that actually needs to go over here with the bin aisle. 1 tin left because Sam seems to like his tuna, so 1 tin of tuna left. This again came in a hamper. Not sure that we'll eat it. And obviously a load of sweet corn, so we don't need any more of that. So I'm going to reorganise it in the cupboard now. I'm going to put it on my inventory list so I know that how many I've got and I don't need to buy any more, which is what I've been doing. So I'll go and do that now. Right, I finished writing down my inventory. Oh my god, how much stuff have I got? You would not believe until you write it down. You really don't know what you've got. Sorry, we've got a little helper here. Chinky? Chinky! Hi, little baby. So, going back to my grocery inventory, I literally have, it took so long to write it out as well that I thought maybe I need to type it up. As much as these sheets are really nice, I might want to break it down a little bit more. Fridge and freezer, I've got so much, plus I've got an indoor and outdoor freezer. So I've literally filled up, oh my god, almost 3 pages. Well, 2.5 pages. Although this one's nearly full anyway. We've got so much stuff. So I know now what I need to use up. That means I can start planning meals with stuff that I already have, which is what we're supposed to do, but you can never remember what you've got. That's half the problem. So I've started to make a little list of what I need to go shopping for. What I'm going to do now is plan out with the stuff that we've got what we can have for dinner next week. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want a continuation of this kind of video, just to see how I plan, etc., then leave a comment in the description below. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!